In today's video, I'll show you how to lock cells in Zoho Sheet to protect important data from accidental edits, especially when sharing your spreadsheet with others. First, open your Zoho Sheet and select the cell or range of cells you want to lock. Once selected, you have two easy ways to lock them. The first method is through the menu. Go to the data menu at the top, find the lock option, and then select lock cells. Your selected cells are now protected. The second method is using your mouse. Right-click on the selected cells, choose Lock Cells from the context menu, and the same protection is applied. Locked cells can still be viewed by others, but they cannot be edited unless unlocked. This helps maintain data integrity and prevents accidental changes. If you need to edit later, simply use the same menu or right-click options to unlock the cells. And that's it. Locking cells is a simple way to secure important information in Zoho Sheet. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.